Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Dyson V8 Absolute that looks like this. And I did get the one that has the extra attachments with it. I only bought the Dyson because my old vacuum died on me, and I was looking on Amazon for a vacuum and I bought one for $100 and it came and it looked like a toy. It broke after 5 minutes of just vacuuming up my hair, and I said, you know what, maybe a $500 vacuum would be worth the investment. So let's see if it is. So these are the pieces that come in the box. So since I did buy it off the Dyson website, the offer did give me like a free bag with like this thing and then I think this. But the vacuum came with this smooth roller. I think this is like more for hair, and then this tiny one, and then this is just the vacuum rod. This is like this is where the dirt goes into, and then these are just like the different attachments that it comes with, and just the power cord, and this is the wall mount. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's like fully assembled. And as you can see right there, this is like where you push it to turn it on, and you have to keep holding it as you're vacuuming. And I just decided to go with the regular brush. I didn't want the soft brush. So let's see how it does. From that little area, just like from like the kitchen and the like part of the rug, this is like how much dirt it got out, and I was using the lower power on it. So as you can tell, there was like a lot, and it wasn't even like I wasn't even done cleaning. I'm not a fan of pushing this so far, because I feel like you get trigger finger almost, because you have to keep pushing it the whole time that you're vacuuming, otherwise it will stop. So I wish they had like an actual button you just push, and then when you're done, you push it again. I don't know why you would want to be pushing the trigger the whole time, but we'll see. I'm gonna try the max now to see if it gets anything more, and I'll dump this out before just to see the difference. Okay, so this is how much more dirt it pulled from the carpet. As you can tell, there is like a bunch in there that was still left behind. So it is kind of concerning that the normal power does leave dirt behind, because I feel like if you're paying so much for a vacuum, the normal power should be able to vacuum everything and not really leave that much behind. Especially when like the max power, as mentioned in the manual, it only really lasts you 7 minutes and it takes 5 hours to charge the battery. So that's not the greatest. Yeah, because you would have to keep vacuuming on normal power just to get more of that. Because like, look at how much dirt it left behind on normal power. Like, I shouldn't have to use the max power to get all the dirt out. I finished the rest of the apartment, and this is how much dirt it gathered. And the battery itself is warm. It's not hot, but it is very warm. And I would say I did have to keep like switching hands or just like taking like a little break when using it because it was hurting my wrist. Like my wrist right now does hurt, and along with my finger. I didn't think it was going to be a problem just because everybody kept saying that this, since it was the V8, it was smaller and lighter than like the V11, and I can't imagine how heavy the V11 must be, because this one, even though it's small, it does feel heavy on like my hand. Or would I buy this vacuum again? No, I don't think I would. I think this vacuum looks nice. It looks sleek. You know, it looks a little luxurious, right? But past that, honestly, I think I would have been fine just buying a Bissell from Walmart and having it corded, plugged in. I wouldn't have to worry about it being charged. I wouldn't have to worry about my finger hurting or like emptying the canister every like 2 minutes. Also, I wouldn't have to worry about like putting, if I wanted a wall mount, like I don't want to put holes in my apartment. Yeah, I think the idea of it is nice, but the practicality of it is not there for me, at least. You have like all this space, but you have to take it out like right there. So like I emptied this out at least 3 times in the 10 minutes that I was vacuuming. Okay, so tell me in the comments what you guys think. Are you guys gonna buy a Dyson? Or are you going to get a different vacuum? Or do you love your Dyson? Do you hate your Dyson? Bye!